Girl, why are you playing with me?
Good morning and Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning. Santa has visited. And right now I am starting on some good morning Christmas cookies.
Yes, with me, Hazel Aspen again.
It's me, Hazel Shay, and you're watching my YouTube channel. And today we have a special guest. We have
Aspen, Hazel Aspen.
Hazel Aspen with us. And she's finishing up her Christmas breakfast. What did you have for breakfast?
Oh, little house, that's my favorite. And look, I got Minnie Mouse pajamas.
Yeah, so she's already
and
ready.
it has a zipper.
Yep. So we are gonna have Christmas brunch at our cousin's house. It's a pajama theme. So she got her pajamas on. This is my pajamas from last night. I still need to change, but I'm gonna make these cookies while we wait on her father, and so she can open the rest of her gifts. So we'll be back when it's time to open gifts. Go ahead. Okay.
Body wash.
And a loofah.
I got my own frozen body wash and my frozen spike. It's also my favorite character.
What's in your mouth? Ew, what?
It's a hot dog.
She was eating breakfast when you
What
showed
she
up.
showed me.
A baby spike.
Oh, snaps.
It's Rose.
What do baby allows do? They talk.
I don't think they talk. I think they just like move.
Oh, look! I found new clothes.
Open it up and see.
You got a dress or like a shirt. Oh, I think I got that. Otherwise, something harder.
Oh shit!
I got two Barbie dolls. I need a lot of Barbie dolls. I have a lot of Barbie dolls.
Yeah, you gonna have a lot of stuff to play with.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Oh, this one says my name on it.
Here, bring them up
I
closer.
can't notice, but there is one in the back that says Caribbean, so I'm just wondering.
Go ahead and get it.
Aspen, could you give me that box back there? Right there. That box. That box. Oh, man, that's-
What? Oh, it's just black, just like the jacket. You can look blind, man.
You think so?
Yeah, you know what's so cool? Oh,
And then
see, I got a JoJo
These also
Siwa. So it's a love JoJo Siwa. My look, you could collect these. You could collect the rarest one, the shiny one, the purple.
oh, that's
shiny
the
one.
rarest one.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, this is the one I have. I got this one.
Very nice. Are they?
Yeah,
Yeah. You said 10. I said I was ordering everything on that.
I think they motherfucking. I think these is run big.
I don't know what that means.
Run big.
Oh, I thought you said they're rugbies.
No, look, feel my touch. That's
That's-
where it stops.
Oh.
I see. It's beautiful, just like you.
Alexa, stop.
blocks. These are big old blocks. These are big blocks. Yes, I love it. I think I want to open my presents right now. Please, can I open the boxes? Huh? Can I open the boxes of my presents, please, Mom?
Yes, after you open these ones.
Oh!
What for you?
Thank you, Mom.
It's not cologne. It's a watch.
I got a scooter. Look, I got a scooter.
Ooh, oh, no.
Oh! There's skates.
I got some soap.
I wanted skates. Yes, I got the skates.
Yeah,
You got the same skates as mommy's.
And I'm gonna open up the boxes.
This is Blue Seduction by Antonio
I
Banderas.
want to open this.
Fuck, I was wrong. Oh my god, bro.
Can I open this?
Thank you. Fam. Them other bitches done stopped working.
Already?
Yes.
Go ahead,
Bro, thank you.
You're welcome. Is everybody happy with their Christmas gifts?
Yes!
So I forgot about the cookies while we were doing Christmas. So this is what they look like. Ooh, cute. Yummy.
There you go.
That's so retarded.
No, nigga,
Bro,
it's
I
not
don't know why.
Brian.
The other day, I don't know why I was just thinking about Denzel, and I was all like, I remember when he was talking about some urn, and I was like, what the fuck is that?
The urn? What you?
Urn.
Oh
What the
my
fuck is urn?
god.
And I was like, oh, an iron?
The urn, bro.
Cute. Put them on.
I was like,
Wait, I want you to like cut the string off and the tag off.
She got the Cinderella her ass all over this house.
Man,
I'm gonna be Cinderella.
your cute little outfit.
her nose.
What is it with you and noses?
Her nose is really throwing me off right now.
Girl, try them shoes on.
Try the shoes on.
Okay, yeah.
It's like leaning in the middle. Damn. That's so ugly.
Put it on.
Oh, yeah. Not on the
Did you
lid.
show him?
Hit him what?
Well, I don't want to say it. I mean, but it's
His Christmas presents?
I don't think you did, yeah.
That
The
one?
shoes?
Yeah. Girl, bitch, the ones that's sitting right there next to
I don't know if those were it or not.
Yeah, he said they're too big.
Aw.
Yeah.
Said you felt them.
He
Shoes
said.
like this much more shoe.
Okay, I look at it. It say 10.
Y'all been together? Y'all fucking
I got him the right size. It says 10, but I guess boots are bigger.
shoes, like how it is with heels.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, you like them little shoes, don't you?
Ooh,
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm sad.
I HATE all of those.
I know.
I don't know why. I just HATE those.
Ooh,
likes
those
them.
are cute, girl. You like them?
Fucking. You can't tell her. She
Those
likes
the
shit
ones
today.
you wearing?
Oh, you got her fucked up if you say.
Can you
she
try
likes
the
shit.
boots on for me too, so we can make sure they all fit? Do those fit? Come here, give me your toe.
She like, bro, I just got
Oh.
to put these on. What the fuck? Mom?
Did an outfit change. My cousin is here. I'm going to brunch at my cousin's house. So this is another onesie, Cookie Monster. Slap my little wig on again. So these onesies are from my cousin's shop, D-Swank Craze. So they will be listed in the link below. Make sure you get you some. She's running a Christmas special for her birthday. And this one is one of my favorites. And I got a little hat because I did not do anything to this wig. I literally slapped it on, slapped the hat. So, all right, we're about to be on our way. Wow, she's bad. We made it to my cousin's house.
Oh, Mom, can you please buckle my shoe?
So cute. Some more cuties. Oh.
Welcome to our lovely brunch. Hope you guys enjoy it. Merry Christmas.
We here for the brunch in the family. Look at her. I knew it. I see you. Oh, yeah. Oh, woo!
I also got strawberry on my cake.
Period point blank.
Thought I was gonna catch it.
And look guys, I got strawberry on mine, so I'm part of the family.
Yeah, girl.
I'm like a grown-up kid.
Well, if you want to be a grown-up kid, you gotta eat all your food. Because grown-up kids eat all their food. I'm so darn greedy. I broke my fork twice trying to get to my food fast. And I'm on my second glass. Let me tell you, I'm on my third drink. And I feel like I'm on my third drink.
You know what people be doing this? They do like that.
Let me see.
That's what I want. People do like this.
Do you want me to take it? I can take it. I can take it. Amari, come here. He said no. Aww.
Divided by 36 divided by 2. 50%. $1,800. Use your fingers. Now, you take 800, half of 1,300.
First of all, our phones come with calculators on it. We don't need to know nothing.
6 ways. Right. And we're purchasing the vehicle. Y'all don't have to worry about no rental car. No, we don't get it. You like that? Why like that?
That face. Why do you keep doing that face?
Don't put that in your vlog.
She said don't post it, but I am. Honestly, yeah, I think that is what it was. That she called me Cupcake, and then she tried to call you Cupcake, and I was like, that's my nickname.
Yeah.
And then she thought of 2 other ones.
What's a jelly bean?
It couldn't have been Jelly Bean because mine's for her is Jelly Bean. Was it Cookie? Pie?
I called
Sweets?
you Cory.
No, you ain't call me Kari.
Yes, he did.
You call me a food.
No, I didn't.
I don't know. Get
Well,
it together.
we'll think of a new one.
Yeah. And I better be a good food.
I better be gumbo. I better be crab legs. Collard greens.
Mom,
What? No, you're my little jelly bean.
I thought you called me a little cupcake because I heard you say that.
No, it's a little jelly bean.
Probably bring my phone up there.
Say what? You need me to do what?
Bring my phone up there.
Bring your phone up to my house.
Yeah, just bring the phone so I can get some stuff on. Okay, yeah. This one.
All right.
All right, see you later.
Be safe. Bye.
They say bye, little cupcake.
Sure. Whatever.
My little cotton candy, and I.
Oh, that's what it was. It may have been cotton candy. Cause no, not cotton candy. Okay, I'll be cotton candy and you can be Cupcake.
Okay.
All right.
And I'll be jelly bean.
And you'll be Jelly Bean. Come on, go ahead.
And also I'll be little Diamond Boo.
Little Diamond Boo.
And Diamond Boo, she said boo.
Oh yeah, you right. You heard little Boo.
Yeah.
All right. So we made it back home. Just got the drop off. So I'm finna, chill up. And then we're gonna make some gumbo for Christmas dinner. I got my pot of water on. And I'm about to throw my chicken in. Let that boil for about 30-45 minutes. And then we'll move on to the next steps. My second time making gumbo. Look at that. Oh, it's the Christmas gumbo for me. It's the burn mark for me.
It's the Christmas gumbo for me too.
Yeah, girl.
Not just for you.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.